Please subscribe my Olivia Nail Art channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new nail art designs. Hi, I'm Olivia. Welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am going to show you a leaf nail art. This is a very easy technique to make leaf on nails. So try it.
Heard them say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.